Okay, so I have a little bit more time because my grandparents aren't home and it's just me and my dog right now. I just did a video of the ceiling fans inside of my house. Nothing's changed with those, just did a little update on them. So that's going to be uploaded later tonight, so I apologize for the spam that's going to happen. So today, well, now, what I'm going to be doing is a startup while no one else is here. Because I like doing these videos when it's just me in the house. So I don't have any interruptions. We're going to be doing a startup of all the air conditioners inside of my house, starting with my 2007 Frigidaire 5200 BTU. That's installed in my bedroom. This video is definitely going to be a little bit rushed, just because. But here goes nothing. It's already blowing cold. There is the data plate. You can pause it and read it if you want to. I would read it out, but I don't have time right at the moment. So yeah, there's the Frigidaire. So I start up and shut down. Move on to the next one. Okay. Now the next one. This is the 2015 GE 24,000 BTU wall air conditioner. Here installed in the living room. Gonna go ahead and start this up just for a little bit. Beautiful startup. I've always loved the startup on this, on this unit. So it's all hot in here too, but we'll run it later. We'll go ahead and shut her down. Alright, moving on to the next one. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have the 2006 Amana 6000 BTU, installed in my sister's room. I don't know where the remote went for this bitch, but you know. This thing needs a hell of a good cleaning. So, yeah. There's that one. Don't even know the compressor kicked on. Okay, now for the last one. This is the 2017 GE 5050 BTU window air conditioner installed in my grandparents' room. This could use a good cleaning as well. Holy shit. There is the data plate. I'm not going to read it out. If you want to pause it, go ahead. Yeah, there's that. I don't even know if the, well, I do know. The compressor didn't kick on, but it's not really a big deal right now. Okay.